And let's get you the latest updates coming in on the investigation into the NEET paper leak in Bihar. The Bihar Police's Economic Offences Unit is all set to grill Tejaswi's PA, Pritam. Tejaswi's PA is going to be grilled on booking the guest house, the government guest house for the mastermind of the paper leak, Sikandar Yadav. The details of which emerged yesterday, and now trouble pouring in for Tejaswi's top aide. The Economic Offences Unit is probing the calls that were made by Tejaswi's PA, which is why you're going to be seeing him being questioned also on exactly why he booked that room for the mastermind. How does he know Sikandar Yadav, who, remember, is already in custody? The police's Economic Offences Unit team will also be meeting with the Education Ministry. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan yesterday made it very clear that they are in touch with the Patna police, they're in touch with the Bihar police on all the latest as far as the investigation into this paper leak goes. But now we're hearing that Tejaswi's PA, Pritam Kumar, who allegedly made that call and booked the guest house for a monthly G and then was used by the mastermind Sikandar Yadav for meeting with students, he's being called in for questioning. In the middle of your screens there, standing right next to Tejaswi Yadav, that is his PA, Pritam Kumar. Aditya Vaibhav is joining us live from Patna with more details on this. Aditya, good morning. Pritam Kumar, who was named yesterday in the press conference by the BJP as someone who had booked the government guest house for the mastermind in this case, is going to be grilled by the Bihar police. No reaction yet from Tejaswi.
Well, exactly. As far as the entire turn of events and the ensuing investigation is concerned, we've been given to understand there are as many as 2 parallel investigations that are being undertaken here in Patna with respect to the alleged question paper leak of NEET 2024. Interestingly, there is a parallel investigation that was actually launched by Road Construction Department, that happens to be the department overseeing the government guest house, which was under scanner of EOU. After the confession note of Sikandar Prasad Yadavendu came to light. Notable is the fact that Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha categorically claimed that he conducted a thorough inquiry within the department, after which he had to suspend as many as 3 employees for their alleged involvement in the scrupulous booking of the government guest house. And this is what the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar claims as the clinching evidence, and he has went ahead to actually show the call details and other, you can say, inputs which he had collected as part of the ensuing investigation, after which he had called for a questioning of Tejaswi Yadav as well as Pritam with regards to this case. Yeah.
Right, Aditya, thanks very much for getting us those details. So the big breaking update right now is that Tejaswi's PA is all set to be grilled also in this particular case of the paper leak, after he allegedly booked a room in the government guest house for the mastermind of this particular case, leading to questions about whether Tejaswi's top aide is also involved and how he knew the mastermind in this case. The mystery of Mantri Ji perhaps could now be solved.